Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are going to continue rest of our tutorial that explains how to play and make 3D games and make some 3D character. It's number software, so that's new. So previous tutorials will talk about today I have to make sure everything is working well. Yeah, so previous tutorial we've talked about bones and how we animate bones and how to blend, import and export character before and after complete uh, the animation. So it's me explain some of the movement today, how to go to keyframe and how to recognize if the animation has issues or not. So first of all, we thank everyone that comment, like and share and subscribe to my channel. Second, let's start with our skeletal character here. As you can see here, this is the bone. So this is this is the squid game and has only bones. And this is one of our characters. Each object here is separate with its own movement and own keyframe. So here, this is keyframe valid on 1040 or 44 keyframe. There is the other character with their own points as well. And here is the scene collection where you can see each of the cap, bag, skin, colors, hair, hooks, crease, sky, and everything that can appear here in this section. I want to explain some of Blender interface, of course. So let's take this one for example. So yes, this is the render engine. Should be the final result. Let me render the image and show you this the final result. This is the 3D environment. Some guys in the comment asks me about how to create these lights, frame the sky and environment. So to be honest, I buy them and I do my edits, some edits on it. So this will take you guys much time. You don't have to do all of this yourself. You just buy some character, environment, sky, and so on, and then you can like add your final touch and export the final animation that you need. And use it whatever you want. Like if you want to use it on YouTube, or if you have a marketing agency like me, I have my own marketing agency. and my hobby is YouTube, so I do extra job on YouTube on these channels. I'll miss back to the tutorial. Has to talk about my personal life. I just wanted to give you some information about me. And so, render engine mode is like taking more energy, more power, and make some pressure on the process. So it's not a good idea if you wanna do a fast edit or animation. So we will back from here to the viewport shading mode. This is method display shade object and 3D view. Yeah, maybe you can name it as a solid view, and this is the sketch mode. Yeah, it's really hard to work with this one. I think it's the best and best option. If you guys have like weak PC or laptop, so yeah, I don't like this one. Maybe I will work with this mode. Okay, so I'm going to switch to not edit mode. This is for skin and body. Yeah, I'm going to choose boost mode, which allows you to do your animation with the bones. So if I choose this one, hit zone and click on J, as you can see here, this is the neck. You can do whatever you want with the neck. And yes, so I'm going to rotate Z and click on I to fix the keyframe. Rotate Z and click on I to fix the animation. So if we back, as you can see here, his neck is rotated right and rotated left. So I think guys it's enough for today. I'm making short tutorials with much information as much as I can. I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions like uh, you wanna know anything, just comment below. Thank you so much and have a nice day.